Any mention?
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 34.
Number?
34, Lordship.
What's the sum? 34. Yes.
I'm for respondent 1 to 4, Lordship.
Yes. Why?
Lordship, due to some difficulty, Lordship, learned DSGI could not appear, Lordship.
Who?
Learned DSGI could not appear before this court, Lordship, due to some difficulty.
He's in court, but
No, Lordship, he's stuck in traffic. He's returning back from Guwahati.
okay. Okay, just when?
After 2 weeks, Lordship.
After 2 weeks? Yes. 2 weeks at the request of so-and-so on behalf of... Yes. Yes.
Lordship, with the consent of the petitioner, Lordship, I beg to mention item number 26.
20?
26, Lordship.
26. Who's for the petitioner?
Sir S. Pandey.
Where is he? You've taken consent?
Yes, Lordship.
1 week, yes.
Highly
Yes.
obliged, Lordship.
That's it. Anyone mention, make it quick. Yes.
Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 36. I've taken consent from the petitioner, Your Lordship.
36. Where's the petitioner?
Mr.
Stuck in
Philemon
traffic?
Laundrie, Your Lordship. He's in
That's
court
good.
number 1.
Okay, yes.
Obliged, Your
2
Lordship.
weeks.
Your Lordship, making similar prayer for item number 30 on behalf of Mr. M. Sinkon.
Ensign Kwan?
Yes, Your Lordship. For the state.
Who other side?
Mr. Philemon Laundrie, Your Lordship, in this matter also.
You're there.
I'm also there.
You take the consent?
Yes, Your Lordship. He's in court number 1.
2 weeks, okay, yes.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
Yes, yes.
Obliged.
May I please, Lordship, I beg to mention item number 25.
Number?
25, Your Lordship.
Your objection?
Your Lordship, they were supposed to produce one document, so 1 week time.
You were yet to receive instruction, Your Lordship.
1 week, okay. At the request of E.B. Prasad on behalf of has responded. Yes.
May it please your Lordship. Lordship,
Yes.
I beg to mention item number 33. Conducting counsel for the respondent number 6, Mr. S.N. is on sanctioned leave. My Lord.
Who's for the petitioner?
MTDC.
Who's for the petitioner?
Sir S.
You've
Pandey.
informed them?
I was informed by one of his juniors that they will not be representing the petitioner. They have returned the file.
Okay, 2 weeks, we'll see. Yes.
And you-
Make it quick, yes.
Please, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 35.
Number?
35.
Who's for the other side?
I'm for this, Your Lordship.
No objection. May I see in it?
Highly obliged.
Put it 20 or something.
Please, Your Lordship.
2 weeks, yes. Yes.
Lordship, I beg to make a mention item 29, Your Lordship.
Lordship, here I am for the petitioner, Lordship.
Yeah, objection.
No, Lordship, yes, I have the objection
Then
because
we'll hear it,
this,
yes.
this keep on
We'll
taking
hear it,
time.
we'll hear it, yes, he has
Lordship,
objection.
1 week's time,
Yes.
Lordship.
No, he has objection. We'll hear it. He hears objection, yes. Yes? Meanwhile, you read the file.
Lordship, I
Yeah.
beg to mention number 21, Your Lordship.
Number?
My number 21. Senior conducting counsel is on leave, Your Lordship.
Oh, yes, okay. 2 weeks, yes.
And also 22, Your Lordship.
20?
22.
He's there in the case. No, this is Mr. Depp's case. Who's for the other side?
I was
By whom? Who instructed you?
my colleague.
Whose colleague?
My
You're in the
colleague.
case?
Yes, 22.
You're in the case
21.
22 or
It's
23?
connecting matter.
No, 23 is fine. 23, you mentioned 23. No, who you mentioned on whose behalf?
On behalf of my senior, Your Lordship.
Who's the senior?
Sir T.T. Sang.
23.
23.
22 is fine. 23, I'm talking about item 23. He's there. You're mentioning
Yes,
it.
23, Your Lordship.
For whose behalf are you mentioning?
Sir T.T. Dingda.
23. You please kindly check properly before you mention.
22, 21.
That's over, yes. Yes.
Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 27. I pray that the matter may come after 2 weeks. Item 27.
On whose behalf?
On the behalf of the respondents.
Lordship,
Your
the
objection?
respondent was supposed to produce the records, Court of
We-
Inquiry records.
We are yet to
Your
produce. We are yet to produce the findings of the Court of Inquiry, Your Lordship.
Yes?
We are yet to produce the findings of the Court of
No, you have to
Inquiry.
produce it. Yes, you have to produce it. So produce it. Is there with you today?
No, that's why we require 2 weeks' time, Your Lordship. We haven't received.
Doesn't require to be produced. What are you trying to say?
We are required to produce the findings of
Yes,
the Court of
you
Inquiry.
say you're not required to
But we
produce.
have not received.
Say that. What's your name?
B. Malyang.
MSB Wanyang. Malingyang or
Malingyang.
Malingyang? Oh, Ms. R. Debnath, Vice submits that the records as requisition have been received. She prays and allowed for the 1 week's time produce the same. 1 week, yes. Okay? Yes.
Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 26. Your Lordship, the conducting counsel is out of station.
It's already been mentioned.
Already mentioned?
Yes. They didn't inform you. Who said they already informed Mr. Pandey? Who was that mentioned? How come he's mentioning again?
I informed Sir Pandey personally, Lordship.
Then he's there mentioning it.
It's already informed.
Yes.
Daily list, item number 1.
May please Lordship. Actually, I pray this matter may be passed over for the end of the board, Lordship.
For time being.
Yeah, please, Your Lordship. I prayed for 2 weeks' time, Your Lordship, as we need to seek some instruction, Your Lordship.
2 weeks time for the petitioner.
Yes, Your Honor.
You're for the petitioner.
Yes, Your Lordship.
It's a motion matter. Where's Mr. Deb or Mr. Day?
They are not here, Your Lordship.
You're
10
here with Mr. Day.
Yes, Your Lordship. 10 days may be given, Your Lordship.
How can you ask 10 days on the motion matter? What's the matter about? Have you read the file?
It's a tender matter, Your Lordship.
Yes. What's the prayer? It's a motion matter. You don't ask for 2 weeks.
We need to
Then it's
obtain
for
some
this- then you
instruction,
want to
Your
what?
Lordship.
Then it's for termination. Dated 15/12/2023. Term conditions contract. Coercion set aside the, what is this, impugn letter, so and so. The check which will complete the balance work. Direct response allow the patient complete balancing, meaning work within. What work is this, Mr. Kharona?
Lordship, this is for construction of the this. Lordship, just take your Lordship.
Construction of what? You also don't know.
Lordship, this is a power grid.
Substation is.
Substation, Lordship, is. I can take you to Lordship.
Where is your senior?
Page number 73.
Is he in court?
No, Your Lordship.
Have you appeared before in court? What's your name?
S. Thapa, Your Lordship.
Yes, Thapa.
Yes, Your Lordship.
You've never appeared before. This is the first time.
No, Your Lordship.
We'll sit tomorrow. Yes, this matter moves tomorrow. You inform them. You already come up with instructions. What's the matter about?
Item number 2.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
Lordship, I am appearing on behalf of Respondent 1 and 2, Lordship. I pray for some more time to file affidavit in this matter.
Lordship, first time has come.
Yes, Lordship. I'll just move because there's an interim prayer also.
The fresh matter.
Oh, Lordship.
How do you ask for some more time? What's the matter about?
My Lord, there's a dispute between my village and the respondent village. Boundary
What's your
dispute,
village?
my Lord.
Your village is?
My village is Pasi village and the respondent village is Yalong village. Both of these villages falls under the Elaka Jwai in West Jaintia Hills district, my Lord. So, my Lord, by the consent of the parties, the Deloy of Elaka Jwai took cognizance of this dispute.
Why?
By the consent of the parties, yes. The Deloy of Elaka Jwai took cognizance of the complaint. My Lord, as per the Act of District Council 2015, it mandates that the Deloy will endeavour to settle the dispute, and if he cannot resolve it amicably, then he has to refer it to the executive committee and it's the executive committee of the Janti Hills Autonomous District Council who will decide the boundary dispute between villages. So in this case, my lord, the Daloi of Elaka Jwai, on the basis of the documents submitted by the parties, prepared a report on 11/3/2021.
Both of the parties submitted report.
No. They submitted documents to the Daloi. So the Daloi, on the basis of these documents, my lord, he prepared a report wherein he demarcated the boundaries between the parties. So it was also agreed that this report is to be placed before the executive committee of the respective villages for their affirmation and confirmation. So when this report was tabled before the executive committee of my village, the members of the executive committee rejected the report. So the same was communicated to the Daloi. As per the Act, my lord, the Daloi was supposed, if there's no amicable solution, he was supposed to refer the matter to the executive committee. But in this case, my lord, what has happened, using this report, the respondent village went to the district council, and the district council, without giving notice to us, without giving an opportunity of being heard to us, affirmed that report, my lord. And now the district council has demarcated the boundaries. So
Already demarcated?
Yes, my lord. They accepted, in a way, they accepted the report of the Daloi, my lord.
Understood. Yes. Where's that?
The report is, the letter of the district council is at page 45, my lord, annexure 7. Translated copy is at page 45, my lord.
Translated copy is that? Yeah,
Translated copy is page 45, my lord.
Very simple demarcation, that's it.
Yes, my lord.
Why you agree with this one?
Because most of our boundaries, my lord, they have been, the district council have given it to the respondent villages.
No, we can't, we'll have to order for status quo. We can't, you want to steer of this?
Yes,
it might
yes,
create some problems.
But
this is already 26 February 2024.
Because on 1st March, we filed a representation before the district council, my lord. We have intimated them that we have placed an objection before the Daloi, and the Daloi is supposed to refer the matter before the district council, but they have not done that.
Yes. Who's the penny for district council? Is
Sure.
that correct? The consent was not,
I'll have to take instructions.
Consent was there or not from the Pasi village for the inquiry report?
I'll
Not
have to
aware.
take instructions.
Yes.
What about the impugn orders date 2021? Not sure.
No. My lord, the report is dated 2021, but this order of the district council is on 26 February 2024, my lord.
No, when was the report submitted by the Daloi to
11 March
district council?
2021.
11 March 2021. After that, we submitted
So
objection.
21 to 24, you're sleeping?
No, my lord. Because
Then?
2021, after that, we filed an objection to the Daloi. Now the ball is in the court of the Daloi. He is supposed to refer the matter to the district council, my lord, as per the act.
Okay, heard Mr. J. Chilla, counsel for the petitioner issue notice. Mr. Emil Nongpur for number 1, 2, and 3.
1 and 2, Lordship.
1 and 2, except on behalf of 2, notice to issue to respondent 3 and 4 with the rigid AD. List the matter after 3 weeks for further orders. Stop. No interim orders at this stage. If you want to use status quo only.
Okay, lord, my lord. Let be status quo.
Status quo should be maintained as to the boundaries of the village of the petitioner and respondent number 4.
Respondent number 4. Yes, my lord.
Obliged.
Item number 3.
Obliged, my lord.
I'll file my affidavit during the course of the day, Lordship. My affidavit is ready, Lordship.
Here for the respondent number 5. Rejoinder you filed?
I'll be filing in a week's time.
We have got filed rejoinder tomorrow.
No, they have for rejoinder. Mr. S.A. Sheikh for respondent number 5 submits that the affidavit on behalf said respondent shall be filed in the course of the day. Stop. Next, Mr. Emil Nongpur on behalf of the petitioner prays for further week's time to file the rejoinder. this matter after 1 week. Yes.
Item number 6.
Evidence was in
Please, Lordship. This
election matter.
Lordship.
Election matter.
Item number 6 is not
Item number 6,
election.
and
Supposed to come for.
One. Item number 4, court number 6. You call it number you.
Now supposed to poll.
Call number 4. Number 4, though.
Item number 4. Item number 4.
New one.
Your Lordship, I'll be filing my preliminary suggested issues today.
Who's appearing for the, where's the respondent? Yes. You file your list of witnesses also?
List of witnesses I'm praying for some time, Your Lordship.
Why? It's supreme issues and list of witnesses.
Your Lordship, actually, I'm trying to contact the election petitioner, Your Lordship, for some time.
Why you filed two copies of this?
Just
preliminary issues on behalf of election petitioner have been filed today. The same are taken on record. However, list of witnesses is yet to be filed. When you want to be listed?
just 3 weeks, Your Lordship.
3 weeks. This is a matter of 3 weeks for filing of list of witnesses by the election petitioner. Copies of issues will be given to the respondents for. You also have to file for filing of research issues and witnesses from their parties.
5.
One of matters fixed for filing of rejoinder. We have prepared the rejoinder, but the
unfortunately can't file it. It was over now. Yes.
Last chance, my lord.
How much times? This is the third time or fourth time?
My lord, I believe this is the third time. I'm not wrong, my lord. But in fact, we have already prepared the rejoinder. Fortunately, the petitioner couldn't come to sign it.
In the course of the day?
In the
Yes,
course of the day,
as prayed for 1 week's time granted for rejoinder affidavit. Yes. After.
6.
Please, Lordship. It is order to file the affidavit of service, Lordship. However, Lordship, as per the consignment track record, the respondent number 6 is mentioned received.
1 second. Why you not file an affidavit yet?
Still only file, my lord.
Where is that?
We had file on the
Third file noting. Funny but not file. 1, 3, 4,
on the
and 5.
22nd of March, my lord.
On the
22nd of March.
It will be noting, sir. No, for the file.
The private respondent, you have to file the affidavit, my lord.
You filing for number 2?
My lord.
What about 1, 3, 4, and 5?
124, my lord. State 124.
This is only on behalf of number 2.
You will be relying on the affidavit of the
When
respondent.
you say that, no? When you with affidavit on records only on behalf of number 2, Mr. Rinja submits that the other state respondents will place reliance on the same. And you for respondent number 5. You are? No,
Robertson.
MSB Rapsang behalf of number 5, please submits that I will find the course of the day. Yes, let's have to tweet for rejoinder of any.
Lordship.
Yes.
Much obliged.
7.
Yeah, Lordship, by bona fide mistake, my learned friend on the last occasion he asked for filing the rejoinder. Lordship, we don't require to file the rejoinder because this is purely for pension matter. We are asking only because some only ACPCS after filing of the petition they have ACPC that benefit that only that one has been released as per instruction. Other like leave salary and gratuity, other they have not released, Lordship. So once all those benefits are released, then automatically that case can be closed. But now you say have not been released, Lord.
So
only
case,
one thing.
No, what are you asking? You want orders or you want to put the case in cold storage?
No, we want order, Lordship.
Then we'll hear the matter.
Yes, Lordship.
You ready?
Yes. I'm
the
ready.
Pension matter,
pension
court
matter.
gives pension to pension matter. Yes. What's your prayer here?
My prayer here is that just for payment of.
You're saying. I'd put on to keep pension matters pending unnecessary if you say that as.
The prayer is at page 8, Lordship. We here only prayer is to pay the pension and others will service benefit, or retirement benefit. Here it.
1 second. Mr. Abraham, why not paying pension? What is the
in this case, we are not disputing the entitlement of the petitioner getting pension and benefit.
But why?
But there was little delay, no doubt on because that last pay certificate was issued on 29th February 2024. So only after that we can process his pension and benefit.
Then
so
you will dispose it off.
we can dispose and yes, Your Lordship.
Where have we said that? Which paragraph?
Paragraph that is paragraph 7 at the end.
In your affidavit.
Yes,
Where
in
is
the
that?
affidavit. Affidavit filed by
That regards so.
Last part.
Where?
Recently, last line of no, this page 3. Last line of page 3, paragraph 7. Recently, only on 29 February 2024, answer respondent had received last pay certificate of the petition from the treasurer officer. So, for that reason, only after.
Accountant General, nothing to say. Yes, MS Pasa.
Your Lordship, there are two pending cases of this petition itself for maintenance in the other court, Your Lordship. Because there is an order dated 0509/2022 stating that the petitioner and his wife to divide the pension and the pension benefits 50-50 percentage.
That we will. That is different.
That
issue.
only
Once
for you process the pension entitlements,
Yes.
and whoever has claimed that will take
Yes.
just in accordance
That is
with
a
law.
different issue, Lordship. Once
Yes,
we get, then we will divide.
Generously, you'll give everyone.
Lordship.
Generously, you'll give everybody. Yes. The petitioner. You retired as?
Retired office is LDA, Lordship.
Retired, who stated to have retired as
State of
LDA
retired, yes.
from the office of the Child Development Project Officer under the Directorate of Social Welfare is before this court for directions for release of his pension and other retirement benefits. Stop. Retirement benefits. Stop. It is submitted. Next line. It is submitted that. When did he retire?
March 2021.
It is. It is.
30 March
30th March 2021 is submitted by Mr. P. Sama that the petitioner had retired since 30th March 2021, but however till date the pension papers have not been processed or cleared. So he therefore prays that appropriate orders be passed in this regard. Stop. Next, Mr. H. Abraham, Senate Counsel appearing for the respondents.
For 1 to 5, Your Lordship.
1 to 5 has submitted that the entitlement of the petitioner is not in question, but the delay that has been caused was due to the fact that the last pay certificate of the petitioner were received only on 29/2/2024. So he submits that as the papers are now in order, the pension, the and the process this should be completed within
4 months time, Your Lordship.
Within 3 to 4 months. Stop. Next para MS EB Pasa for respondent number 6. Vice Mr. K. Karmoplang has submitted that there are some claims against the petitioner from his
benefits.
There's some claims against his pension benefits in the form of a maintenance case.
Maintenance cases.
Which has been filed by his
first wife.
By his first wife. Stop. She submits that this same should be taken into consideration while releasing the pension while processing the pension of the petitioner, while processing the pension, while ordering for release of pension to the petitioner. Stop. Next paragraph. Counsel of the parties, as submitted by Mr. H. Abraham, as there is no impediment that exists any longer for release of pension, it is directed that the respondents shall process the entitlements of the petitioner within 4 months from today, and also from today. Stop. It is also understood that whatever claim that is there on his pension from other sources, such as maintenance case, shall be dealt with in accordance with law. Yes.
Lordship.
Matter stands closed and disposed of. Yeah.
Hello, Pledge.
No point keeping the pension matter. Won't keep it pending.
Item number 8.
May I please, Your Lordship? I pray for some more time to file a rejoinder, Your Lordship.
Who are you?
For the petition, Your Lordship.
Correspondent number, I mean?
For all the respondents, Your Lordship.
All the respondents?
For 1 to 8, Your
1 to
Lordship.
8, 1 to 7?
1 to 8, Your Lordship. Sorry,
for the petitioner or respondent?
Petitioner. For respondent number 8, the delivered report shows that it's delivered, Your Lordship.
Okay. So only you file affidavit, that means Mr. Dongri. Only yes, 3 to 6, yes. MS also prays funds allowed for how much time?
2 weeks, Your Lordship.
To file affidavit or rejoinder to the affidavit filed by respondent number 3 to 6.
Much obliged.
Item number 9.
Lordship.
Lordship, I'm praying for some more time, Lordship. Lordship, we haven't filed
Lordship, is a contempt petition. A contempt petition, and there is no compliance of the order, my lord.
I pray for 1 week's time, Lordship. Actually, our client is out of station, Your Lordship.
Who's on next and out of station at the same time? Who is that?
Client, Lordship. Our client.
Your client?
Yes, Lordship. We didn't get a signature, Your Lordship, for filing the Vaklarnam also, Lordship.
Oh, where is your client?
He's in outstation Bangalore, Lordship.
Oh, 1 week's.
1 week's time, Lordship.
Expected next
Lordship,
year.
is a
Granted.
Contempt petition, my lord.
Yes. What to do? Then we'll issue.
The
If it doesn't
respondent
file
has to
within
be
1 week,
personally.
then we'll process for contempt. Yes, list after. As prayed, 1 week further time is granted to the respondent to file affidavit. Stop is expected on the next date. It should be on board. That is after 1 week.
Lordship. Hello, Bledge.
10.
State they are yet to file counters, my lord.
Yeah,
Where's
Lordship,
Mr. N.D. Shulai?
Lordship, in this case, we need some more time. We have received Paravas command, but that Paravas command was not complete. So we have asked for further instruction. It is, we are told that they are coming today. So we may be given 2 weeks' time as the last chance to file affidavit.
But Mr. Changreso?
We have filed the counter.
No, but then last time, this Mr. Dakhar said that though affidavit has been filed the minute petition on behalf of both the respondents 3 and 4, additional affidavit will be filed in the course of the day and reply rejoin the affidavit, file a petitioner upon record savings bank account statement.
They have already filed.
Filed that also. Right. Then what do you want?
I may be given 2 weeks' time because
the urgency, Mr. Chongman.
There's no urgency because they got to stay.
Because there's no stay in this
Yes.
The item number, the second item, next item, they got a stay order.
Okay, then
Petitioner
let's take down as prayed for Mr. Abraham for the 2 weeks time granted for filing of affidavit on behalf of respondents 1 and 2. Stop. As a much chal rahi so General Counsel submits that affidavits have already been filed on behalf of the respondents 3 and 4. Yes, this up to 2 weeks. Yes.
May I brief for listening for admission hearing with a short issue involved.
Let them file the affidavit.
10 and 12 connected.
Then we don't have to do the election hearing. If on the next date is listed, if we can dispose of. Yes.
10 and 12 connected. 10 and 12.
Just together with so.
Hello, Bleach.
11.
Rejoinder file?
My lord, we pray matter may be listed for hearing. My lord, we don't wish to file the rejoinder.
Let's say that Mr. Yadav. Mr. Yadav submits that no rejoinder be necessary. Stop accordingly this a matter for hearing. So and so. Yes.
Highly obliged.
13.
Counter is awaited, Lordship. Counter is awaited.
Your Lordship, I'm praying for
Yes,
time
MS
on behalf
80.
of respondents 1 to 8, Your Lordship.
And service report.
9 to 23?
Yes, we have taken a step. Service report is also awaited, Lordship.
Office note indicates that ED cards have been received only in respect of respondent 20. Stop with regard to the other respondents, that is 9 to 19 and 21 to 23. Service is not yet complete. Stop. MSZ in our country prays for
2 weeks time, Your Lordship.
further next line. For Council 1 to 8 prays for further 2 weeks time to file affidavit. This is matter up to 2 weeks for affidavits and for service report on the other respondents.
There is an
Obliged,
interim
Your
order.
Lordship.
Yes?
There is an interim order.
What's the interim order about?
Direction is given not to deduct the.
Okay. Interim order is passed. Let's continue to the next date.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
Farida, you want to record? Who's for the petitioner? You file the affidavit?
No, Your Lordship. I humbly pray 2 weeks' time, Your Lordship, to file the
Yeah.
affidavit. I humbly pray 2 weeks' time to file the affidavit, Your Lordship.
But then service report also none appears as petitioner.
He's appearing, Your Lordship.
Lordship, I'm appearing on behalf of the petitioner.
Yes. You obtain status of service respondent before. See an office note that indicates that any cards still not yet received on behalf of respondent before. Stop petitioner to obtain status report on service. Stop next by MS and Raji of praise for not for 2 weeks time to file affidavit. Just after 2 weeks, yes.
Much obliged, Your Lordship.
You obtain status of service.
15.
104, yes.
Your Lordship, I'm praying for time on behalf of Ms. S. Bhattacharjee to file her affidavit in opposition.
Instructions. What's the matter about?
It's a termination of service, Your Lordship.
Termination of service?
Yes, Your Lordship.
It's for instructions today.
Your Lordship, I have small submission to make. Your Lordship, it seems like the address of the respondent number 3 here, they've recently changed their office, Your Lordship. So we are waiting for the new address of the office, Your Lordship.
3 doesn't see anything. Just a project director, state investment unit, Shillong. Where in Shillong is it?
Before it was in Dhankiti, Your Lordship.
So even then, it's not indicated here in the petition.
That's what, Your Lordship. That's what I've been told that they could not serve the notice because of that, Your
Okay.
Lordship.
MS Bison, correct? On behalf of the petitioner, submits that due to inadvertence, the exact address of the respondent number 3 was not provided in the cause title. She prays for is allowed to make necessary corrections in the cause in the address and to take fresh steps on respondent number 3. Okay. Then next paragraph. Why instructions? Must be something is there. Because court will say affidavit. Why only for instructions today?
Your Lordship, I apologize. I'm not briefed with the matter. I've just been asked to pray for time.
MS Bhattacharjee, the lawyers assigned the matter, not present in court today. list the matter after 1 week, yes.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
Petition to take steps within the thought, you know, to take steps within 1 day.
16.
Your Lordship, in this matter, we've received instructions, and as per our instructions, Your Lordship, the FR has been submitted.
So, nothing remains in your case.
We have not received a copy of that.
Why? He must have received your client.
I said he have not received.
He said non-registration FIR.
Non-investigation, Your Lordship.
Yes, for non-investigation.
Yes, let's see the instructions. When did you file the petition?
We filed this petition on 4th April 2024.
When was final report given?
The next day, Your Lordship, on the 5th.
On the 5th?
Yes.
Oh. Stop. Today, on instructions, MSZ non-country, the GA submits that FR has already been filed in the said, what case is this? Chiadang. Yes.
This one is?
Chiading.
Yes.
Yes, Chiading PS case number 4/04/2023. Stop. A copy of the final form stroke report has been produced before the court. So we'll close it, Mr. PT. Your objection to the final report, you tell your client to file objection. Yes, accordingly, matter stands closed. Stop. Copy the final report to be made over to the.
I've given them a copy, Your Lordship. Obliged, Your Lordship.
17.
This matter has since been rendered infructuous, my lord. This matter has
How?
become infructuous. The
What's the matter
petitioner
about?
has been promoted, my lord, with retrospective effect from the same date when the private respondent number 5 was granted.
That correct?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Mr.
Lord,
Philomene, yes?
I may be permitted to withdraw on being infructuous.
Yes, Mr. Philomene submits that as the reliefs as prayed for have been granted, he submits that as the reliefs as prayed have been granted, he pleads to be allowed to withdraw the incident petition.
As infructuous.
As it has been rendered infructuous.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
The same is not objected to by MSZ non-country for the GA. The matter stands closed and disposed of on being infructuous.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
18.
Respondent number 5, my lord. Respondent number 4 already died since.
Where's Mr. Depp? He was here just now.
There.
He was for the petitioner.
Yeah.
Or
Yes,
you're
I'm for
D
the
Depp, or D Depp, sorry. Yes. You're in Tura. Where are you? You're submitting. Where are you located right now? Mr. Depp must be.
I'm in Silchar right now.
Silchar.
I'm in Silchar, Lordship.
Okay. So number 4 has died.
Died, yeah. On 16/9/22.
You heard senior counsel said that number 4 has died on
16 September 2022.
16 September 2022. Number 4. You take instructions then. Who will substitute?
As a matter of fact, respondent number 5, the successor survivor is there, man.
Okay.
Still alive.
Yes, Mr. K.S. Kinjing has entered appearance, senior counsel so on behalf of the respondent number 5 today.
Yes, madam.
And submits that the respondent number 4 has since expired on 16/9/22.
Yes.
He submits that as the 5 successor wife, no substitution be necessary.
Yes,
or respondent number 4 in the meantime. Yes. And then you'll file affidavit.
Yes, madam.
Yes, MS, he prays for and is allowed 2 weeks' time to file affidavit. Similar payment we have MS by MS Enraji on behalf of 1 and 2. 1, 2, and 3. Same is allowed, yes, just after 2 weeks. Yes.
Thank you.
19.
Make to your lordships. Only I am appearing on behalf of the petitioner here. In Lord, if your lordship would see the last order passed by your lordship on 17/4, Lord, your lordship was pleased to grant an ad interim protection, and for other relief, interim relief, Lord, your lordship was pleased to direct us to issue notice upon respondents. Lord, we have served upon respondent number 4 to 7, my lord, who are the main respondent herein.
Yes.
Your lordship, just the background, Lord.
Now, who's appearing? Entering appearance on 4 to 7 today?
Yes, Your Honor.
You're led by
4,
whom?
5, 6, and 7. Dr. N. Muzika, Senior Counsel.
Yes, appearance has been made today. What's the matter about?
It pertains to the appointment
Yes. Okay, remember, yes. That matter, Cooperative Bank.
Yes,
yes, sir.
Now, the basis of the decision which they took, my lord, was the circular of the RBI,
Yes, we remember.
25/6/2021, which your lord.
Appearance has been made today.
Now,
on
the entire
behalf of
decision is based on this. Now, that
Respondent 4, 5, 6, and 7.
4, 5, 6, and 7. That means here the Joy Cooperative Urban Bank. Yes, by Mr. Sumer with Dr. N. Muzika. Correct. What about 8 and 9? 8, 9, 10, 11?
11,
8, 9, 10?
Your Lordship, on the last date, there was some confusion whether steps should be taken on these other respondents. So, Your Lordship,
No, these are Reserve Bank.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Mr. Dubey, let them take steps. You take steps on 8, 9, and 10 also.
No,
11
we will
steps.
take, my lord.
11 notice has gone to 11.
Not yet, Your Lordship.
Issue notice the remaining respondents within 2 days. Stop. What do you want?
We'll file affidavit. Counter affidavit.
Isumer, please, for 1 week's time?
2 weeks.
2 weeks' time to file affidavit, yes. So what about interim prayer today? After senior comes? Yes. List after 2 weeks then.
my lord, then your lordship may fix it for interim consideration as well as the interim order passed earlier shall continue till then, my lord.
Listed after 2 weeks for affidavit by 4 to 7. In the meanwhile, interim order pass.
Can I pay for fixed date?
Pass on 17/4/24 shall carry the next date. It's understood that on the next date, the further interim the prayer for further interim orders will be taken up for consideration.
And but the other earlier interim order that your lordship passed.
That's already continued.
Yes, ma'am. And my lord can fix a fixed date, my
That
lord.
you ask your local council to fix, yes.
20.
I am DP of this, sir.
My lord, after filing of after filing of the petition, we have
Yes.
received a communication from the Pollution Control Board
Yes.
on 1st of May 2024.
Yes.
In view of the same, my lord, I may be permitted to withdraw the petition with the liberty to file a fresh one, my lord.
Okay, Ms. Dr. A. Saraf, senior counsel, which so-and-so submits that due to recent development whereby they have received notice from the State Pollution Control Board, he prays I am allowed to withdraw this with liberty to file a fresh, if so advise. Stop. Yes, prayers allowed. Matter stands closed on withdrawal. However, liberty as prayed. However, with liberty granted as prayed. Yes.
I would like to. Great.
Hearing 23.
Yes, Mr. Deb.
Your Lordship, that this matter come at the end of the board. Mr. Purbin is on his legs, Your Lordship.
You are not going to Mokorat now? Yes. After some time.
24.
Look here, in this petition there are two prayers, one for relaxation of age
and another is for appointment. So the government has already released the age as so far as the prayer number 1 is concerned. So for prayer number 2, we have submitted presentation to the government to consider about the appointment. But because of the election, they could not take any decision, my lord. So let it come after 2 weeks. Maybe in the meantime, some result will come. Either way.
You're arguing this matter?
Yes, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, I'll have to take instructions regarding the representation.
Where's the second prayer?
Your Lordship, this matter pertains to where the petitioners had were trainees, Your Lordship.
What?
Trainees,
agriculture?
Trainees, Your Lordship. Yes, Your Lordship.
Oh, same matter.
So, Your Lordship, here we've stated that as per the advertisement itself, Your Lordship, we've said that there's no job assurance, Your Lordship. And just because they participated in the training course, Your Lordship, that doesn't...
Yes, I don't invested, right? For 6 years they trained. Anyway, okay, on the prayer of Mr. A. Siddiqui, this matter for 2 weeks. Please await any further development.
Yes.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
28.
Wait, please, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, in this matter, I pray for 2 weeks' time. The conducting counsel is on legs in courtroom number 4.
Who?
K.C. Gautam.
He'll be, 2 weeks, he'll be on legs.
Lordship,
What kind of hearing is that?
No, Your Lordship, for today, let the matter be adjourned.
What's the matter about? He must be having to brief with you.
Yes, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, this matter is regarding the VRS matter, Your Lordship.
See?
The balance VRS.
You're prepared with the matter, correct?
Little bit, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Your Lordship,
VRS?
conducting...
Here we don't have the State Council. Also.
Your Lordship, Ms. N.G. Shalla is also conducting the matter on behalf of the state.
Where's she?
She's indisposed, Your Lordship. I've just been informed.
Stuck because of floods.
The storm. Not sure.
Okay.
I'm appearing on behalf of 5 and 6, Your Lordship, the
Yes, 5
corporations.
and 6 is?
MIDC and the MEDCL.
Okay.
And we are on the same
On the
footing
prayer
as
of
the state.
On a joint prayer of the petitioner and respondent and state respondents, this is matter after 2 weeks. Since it will be on deck for 2 weeks, correct? Yes.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
Pleasure.
29.
May I please, Lordship? Your Lordship, I humbly pray let this matter be taken after 2 weeks, Lordship, as the accounting
Why
council.
was no mention made in the morning? Mr. Sama already. Yes.
As Mr. Asjay is
Oh,
having some...
he raised objection, correct? To this matter for adjournment.
Your Lordship, but Mr. Asjay is having some personal difficulties, Your Lordship, so...
You're there. Mr. SD, I hardly see his face anymore. He subcontracted all the work to you, which is very good.
Yes, Your Lordship, but I need
Yes,
some time to...
subcontracted to all of you.
No, Your Lordship, but I need some
Then?
time, Your Lordship, to prepare.
The fees also subcontracted, or he's not subcontracting the fees? Only the cases.
No, he give Your Lordship.
What's the matter about?
This
Aking
is
matter.
regarding, Akung Mukma. Actually, this private respondent here approached before the district council court. Actually, he's nobody. He's neither Nokma nor he's just a villager.
How can a person be nobody?
Yes, he's filing
so
the
once
petition.
a person is born on this planet, he is somebody.
He's filing the petition after 9 years because this matter will be hit by the res judicata because the matter has been settled since long back, and the order has been based on the.
Mr. Chanda, is that correct?
No, Lordship, that is totally incorrect, Lordship. In fact, Lordship, we were not aware of the order passed by the District Council, Lordship. Only in the year 2017 we came to know about the order passed by the District Council.
You got it overturned.
Lordship, thereafter, Lordship, we had filed an appeal, and Lordship, now the appeal is pending before the District Council, Lordship.
Not decided this yet.
Not yet, Lordship.
Why is come here?
Lordship, they have come against the order by which, Lordship, our appeal has been admitted, Lordship.
Not against that, because they filed. We are coming against the order of the Congress of Delhi because they have delayed. They have condoned the delay.
Against order of coordination delay.
Yes.
Okay. Was it delayed on the orders of this court?
No,
or
they
the coordination allowed?
have not. My learned friend is
not
understanding the fact.
condoned the delay, Lordship.
Because they have not even filed an appeal. No appeal is pending. No appeal is pending before the lower court.
So no appeals pending. Then what will they condone? In the air, condemnation for what?
Because the continuation of delay for many, for after 9 years.
Let's see,
After
because then
9
the
yes.
prior respondents more interested. Where's the order?
That order, my lord, is there.
Page 65.
The impugn order is.
The impugn order is at page 65.
Page.
Okay, see the last page, page 67, second paragraph. This court, after hearing submissions from both parties and from materials on record, have considered the application for condoning leave necessitated since the present petitioners have not been summoned by the EM and Child Land Revenue before Christian U. Aking, Daribogre, out of Mandalgre. Mandalgre is an old case. Yes. Familiar name.
Lordship, the way this order passed by the first court, Lordship, and District Council has been passed, Lordship, if Lordship comes to my affidavit, Lordship will see. Respondent number 428.
No notice issued to you?
No, Lordship.
See, Mr. Sangma,
yes.
See, when a court below or any tribunal, whatever, passes an order, exercise discretion, okay, discretion is discretionary power to condone, correct? Yes. It's not really a mistake. Only if it's glaring, like, it's unimpeachable the way it has been condoned, then courts interfere. But usually in normal course of business, if a tribunal or a lower court condones delay, usually appellate courts or high firms don't interfere.
Your Lordship, I mean, but here that what petitioner is challenging here is like opening the Pandora's box, because this the original order has been passed in the year of 2010 when the EM.
Okay, let's see that
is page 36.
Let's see Mr. Chandra's affidavit. Yes.
Annexure 1, Lordship, at page 11, Lordship.
Yes.
On
24 2010.
Lordship. On the same day, Lordship, the Mozadar's report was submitted, order passed, and then on 24th, Lordship, without calling us, there is nothing, Lordship.
So you didn't issue notice to them, you were made Nokma.
Lordship, why the issue was noticed to him? Because he is not even a Nokma, my lord. He is not a Nokma. That's why this order was passed.
Then your case will be very simple for CM.
See, Lordship, there is order even from the High Court where he has filed to declare himself as a Nokma of that particular Rakung, but that was rejected, Your Lordship. Now, against this page 36, page 38.
Order of this court?
Yes.
In your
High Court.
petition?
Yes, in my petition. Page 38.
30?
Part 38.
38.
38. Type copy is the 44, but this is edible only. Page 38, Annex 6. Before he has, in the year of 2008, he has come and filed a case to register himself as a Nokma of that particular Nongman.
Balen Marak.
Balen, yes, balancing. Now this order dated 12/5/2008 has been never challenged before this court and before the higher court, neither in division bench, and this order still remain. And here in this order, the High Court has rejected him, claiming that he was not reject him to be the Nokma of that particular Rakang. And by the virtue of this order, he is not even a Nokma of that Mandalgri Rakang. But he has filed even without the knowledge of that original Nokma.
Then we need Mr. Day. As Mr. S. Day is not present in court today.
Mr. Day, he informed me after maybe after 1 or 2 days, he said.
Yes, this is a matter up to 1 week.
Lordship.
Yes.
Most blessed Lordship.
We need his presence.
Yes.
31.
Your Lordship, Mr. Pubin is still on his lecture, Lordship.
Where is he?
This is on court for your lordship.
Where's the petitioner? Where's Mr. Karshian? He's a petitioner. Don't. Where is he?
I saw him this morning, your lordship. I saw him this morning.
He's not the person on the screen, no?
No, your lordship.
Now what do you have to say? For pending salary from 17 to 22 has not been released fully. It's been released.
Regarding this one, we have to obtain instruction, your lordship. As per the last order, your lordship, we are yet to obtain instruction, your lordship. So,
Yes, Mr. K.S. Karshian, when the matter is called out, is not present in court. Your Miss Yatham, what's his name?
B. Ramsey, your lordship. B. Ramsey.
Or Ramsey, sorry. MSB Ramsey submits that pursuant to order dated 8/4/2024, instructions still awaited. It is stop as it is a contempt matter. The petitioners respond expect to receive instructions within 1 week. This thereafter.
What's your pleasure, lordship?
32.
Wait, this lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, in this matter, Senior Advocate Piquet has been engaged. But due to some urgent matter in the Guwahati High Court, he could not be present today for hearing.
Yes.
My lord, I'm.
My lord, I fix it on 7 June for hearing.
I'm on behalf of respondent number 6, your lordship.
Lordship, I am for respondent 4 and 5.
The request of counsel of the petitioner. This is the matter on so and so, yes.
Highly obliged, your lordship.
7.
Second call 23.
I'll just rise, I'll come back. Udah go to meeting sini. We'll just come back, we'll come back. Sorry, we had a small meeting just now. Yes.
Lordship, here I am impugning the order dated 20 February 2020.
Forgotten everything since you're adjourning it, repeatedly for so many dates.
Yes, Lordship. So, Lordship, the matter was already heard, and I filed my written argument also.
What an argument?
Written argument, Lordship.
Why you filed an argument? I didn't ask for it.
No, Lordship,
Just like that?
Yes, Lordship, I have filed.
Just for fun you filed?
Lordship,
Okay.
I have filed on 13th December 23, last year. So, the facts is that, Lordship, my husband was working in the office of the Directorate of Information and Public Relations, and after his death, the department has directed me and the respondent to obtain a court order declaring who is the legal wife of... Yes, Lordship. Then that letter was issued on 21st January 2020, Lordship. That is page 35 of my...
Page?
35. 24th January 2020. That letter was issued and directing both of us to get appropriate order from the Court of Jurisdiction, Lordship. Then, Lordship, at that time, Lordship, the Corona was there. Corona came up. So, Lordship, I could not approach the...
This is letter asking, this is 35,
That
is
is
24 January 2020.
24 January 2020, they have forwarded another correspondence. By this letter, they have forwarded the correspondence dated 14 January 2020.
Okay.
Where in that 14 January 2020, they have directed that since there is a claim and counter claim, so we should go before the appropriate forum to get the appropriate order regarding who is the legal wife. Thereafter, Lordship, I could not approach immediately. But however, the respondent here has approached before the District Council Court, and District Council Court by ordered, the hearing was conducted on 14 February 2020, and order was passed on 20 February 2020. So that is
order is dated 20/02/2020.
Yes, Lordship. Okay. So, Lordship, that is
filed by Mr. Yubin's client.
Yes, Lordship.
Okay. Yes.
That is within 1 month of the issuance of the letter dated 24/1/2020. So, Lordship, I could not approach the court because of Corona and financial constraint was also there. So, I could not immediately. But they have got this impugned order on 20 February 2020 within a less than 1 month of the issuance of the letter.
We issued notice issued to you?
No. They have not made me a party. In the case also being well aware that I am claiming the pensionary benefits of my husband.
Okay.
Here, Lordship, they have filed a miscase. They have neither filed a title suit nor the intest succession. They have filed a miscase. And in that miscase, the impugned order was passed, Lordship.
Miscase 1, what's the prayer in the miscase?
Prayer was that that is page 56. Prayer portion is that in the premises.
For declaration of as legal wife.
Yes, declaring. That is.
So, what provision of law is this file?
So, Lordship, that is what, Lordship, I have. This is also one of my ground, Lordship. There is no provision. In fact, they were supposed to file either a title suit or that is a declaratory suit. They have or intest succession petition, but they have filed a miscase, Lordship.
Yeah.
Now, Lordship, I'll just take your Lordship the facts of the case, Lordship. What is the facts, Lordship?
So, what is ordered at 20/2 is found, therefore, marriage to the deceased son shall be summoned per Catholic rites. Hence, as folded based on marriage certificate exhibit 1, but legal matter revived. Therefore, we also so okay. Right. On case the evidence found that the person married deceased at Carlos and so somebody father Victor Dingdo at the parish church of St. Paul's. Okay. Now tell me.
Lordship. The fact is that in the year 1992, me and my husband started to cohabit. And
when was marriage with this
no, Lordship.
The second lady?
Yes, Lordship. They have married. They said that we have solemnized our marriage in the church, Lordship.
2000.
Yes, Lordship. 2000.
So we married with you in 1992.
Yes, Lordship.
Married a petitioner.
Yes, Lordship.
But not registered.
Not registered. As per Lordship, for this Lordship, I take your Lordship to page 14 of my petition, Lordship.
1-4.
Yes, 1-4. That's one of the ground, Lordship. Serial number G. 14, serial number G. That's the ground, Lordship.
Yes.
For that, the petitioner belongs to the Khasi community, and she is governed by the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Act 1996, wherein Section 2(1) defines the meaning of legal marriage. In this connection, the attention of the Honorable Court is drawn to Section 2, Clause 1 of the said Act, which reads as follows and may be perused. Legal marriage means any form of marriage performed, solemnized, or recognized under any law for the time being in force or under the prevailing Khasi custom. Hence, it is submitted that both the petitioner and Carlos Lamin gang, being the members of the Khasi scheduled tribes, and as such they are governed by the local customs and traditions, and the Khasi society views cohabitation between a man and woman as marriage as per traditional laws, Lordship. This is one of my ground for a valid marriage, Lordship.
As per custom, they considered marriage. How many children?
Lordship, I'm having 3 children, Lordship.
From him only?
Yes, Lordship. I'm having 3 children. And Lordship, in all my documents, Lordship, like my passbook, my EPIC, whatever documents, his name is there, my husband's name is there as my husband. And during his lifetime, I have able loan also, Lordship, and he was the guarantor. To substantiate what I'm submitting, Lordship, trying to prove that he was my full husband. However, sometime in the month of August 2014, he deserted me, and I filed a maintenance petition.
2014, but he got married in 2000.
1992, I married. Then he deserted.
No, he got married to Mr. Euban's client 2000.
Yes.
As per the annexure.
Yes, Lordship. But then, Lordship, he has actually, Lordship, I was not aware that he got another wife also. I came to know only when he becomes sick.
From the same place, from Shillong, only both the wives?
No, she stayed, I think, Lordship, some upper Shillong area.
You stay where?
In Golfling area. So, Lordship, in the month of August 2014.
How is it possible that you're still married to him and he went and got married behind your back in church and all?
Lordship, he was cohabiting. Otherwise, Lordship, if he'd have deserted me way back, I mean, Lordship, like 2002-04, then I would have filed maintenance petition. I have filed the maintenance petition only in the year 2014 when he has deserted me. He was maintaining me, Lordship. He was giving me my basic needs, and he was providing financial assistance for my children also. Everything he was doing.
And all the time you didn't know you didn't have a clue that he was married again.
Lordship, as of now, Lordship, I do not have that instruction whether my client is knowing about the fact or not, that whether my husband was married second time or not. And Lordship, when he was sick, I also accompanied him, and I have provided medical assistance.
Which year was he sick?
Lordship?
Which year was he sick?
Lordship. Lordship, he died in the year 2019. He died, so Lordship, that is page. I misplaced, Lordship. Page 24. Page 24 is the Lordship, no, that I have accompanied. Yes. Yes, Lordship, kindly come to page 32, Annexure 5, Lordship. Here, Lordship, is saying that certified that Carlos Lamin Gayong, care of Sarita Kharkungar, aged so.
Where is that? Where
That is page 32, Annexure 5, Lordship.
That certificate shows the name of
Yes,
Mr. Yuban's
yes,
client.
Lordship. Yes. But, Lordship, what I'm trying to prove, Lordship, that I have, when he was sick, I have provided him medical assistance also, Lordship.
He was having cancer.
Yes, yes, Lordship.
Okay.
He was having cancer. That is what, Lordship, I am trying to prove, that when he was sick, I provided medical assistance also.
That's what Mr.
No, Lordship, what I am trying to say that...
Why we are saying that all the materials go against you. Only consideration of these materials that you produced, that is why court had directed that you try to go and she gives you some one-time settlement. I think that's the thing. But you're not prepared to do that. They're prepared to give 50,000 also. You know, that is the thing. Mr. Yuban also, he had very fairly consented that fine, you know, we're not denying there was a relationship between your client and the deceased employee, correct? But the materials as on record, even you go to court again, the death certificate is in the name of, you know, the marriage certificate is there with the respondent, the death certificate, the response shown as the wife. So all those things, all those against you. Now all you're having is that as per custom, I was married to him, I looked after him, we had 3 children, till 2014 I felt maintenance after he deserted me. So no, those things fine, we understand. But you understand we're a court of record and a court of law, so we cannot, you know, go beyond that to say that, okay, fine, you know, that we give a declaration that she also was legally married. In spite of the declaration of the other court, you see, Lordship, which is based on materials on record.
I am here, Lordship. I may be given a fair chance to prove that I am the legal wedded wife of my husband, Lordship. Here, Lordship, when the respondent has received the letter dated 24/1/2020, it was categorically mentioned both the parties go to the appropriate court and get the order.
Why didn't you go?
Lordship, at that time, Lordship, I have already stated that, Lordship, due to some financial constraint and COVID, at that time, Lordship, I could not go, Lordship. And they have went to the court just as soon as they have received the letter, Lordship.
Exactly, because they are asserting their right.
So, Lordship, even they knows that I am here, Lordship, I am an objector. They should have made me a party. I was denied the fair opportunity to prove that I am the legal wedded wife, Lordship.
Okay.
I was denied the opportunity, Lordship. It's a complete violation of natural justice, Lordship. And besides, Lordship, it's a settled law also that during the subsistence of the first marriage, the second marriage is void, Lordship.
Correct.
But when, Lordship, my marriage was not...
Anyway, okay. No. What other point you have to say? Yes. What other point do you have? You're saying, okay, sure, that... You see, from this court, you're asking this court to declare that why this court said that we cannot grant a prayer. You said that you want this court to overturn the ruling of the court, which is based on evidence, on court of facts, and for us to declare you as a legally married wife, correct? We cannot do that at this level.
Lordship.
Correct.
So, Lordship, at least I may be given a fair chance to prove my legal wife of my husband, Lordship. That is
only thing is
limited
that,
prayer, Lordship, here. I was denied opportunity, Lordship. I was denied justice. That's
now,
Lordship.
The trouble is that both, you know, now your children, the birth certificates, the name of your...
Yes,
is shown.
Yes.
Your children entitled something, Mr. Yuban?
They are entitled, but they are all before major. Some of them are married off also.
Okay.
They are all major. If they are minor, then we will fairly concede, we'll give them something. This is not a question to where we are disputing any of what my friends say.
Exactly. No, that is why this court saying that going back will be futile. Because they have all documents in their favor. So if you come to stage evidence, who are you going to call to prove that you cohabited for how many years? You'll call the headman. Who will you call? See, how are you going to establish your case? if you're going to establish your case as per customary law also, that means you have to have witnesses who are trustworthy, who can go for the court and say, yes, Mrs. A was married to Mr. B. Now suppose you go back, this court being very fair, I'm saying, you go back and then you have to invest money in lawyers, number one. Number two, now whether you have, that evidence with you to get a finding that yes, you're legally married. Now is those headmen still alive? 92 you got married. You're cohabiting. Which place? You have to have persons who have who are reliable, who are supposed to be neutral, to say that yes, they were staying here in this place, they were married, they had these children. Only then it can go on from there. You understand? Even then, if the worst comes to worst, you'd be entitled to just what this court suggests is that look, Mr. Deb, you explain to your client. Ms. Yubin also has said fine. Whatever it is, circumstances are very unfortunate. You were the wife of this person, but he never married you legally, I mean in paper. He went and married someone else in 2000. He entered the name service book, I think. Oh, yes or no?
Yes. Then? And that also, Lordship, when the name
see,
of
no,
the...
forget about that.
No, Lordship,
I'm talking about now, suppose I give an order, this court gives an order, okay. Besides the order, you go back to the trial court. Now, what will that give you?
Lordship.
Again, a whole hardship. And in the end, you might come back with the same proposal as this court saying, take 50,000, 75,000, whatever, and, forget about that thing. Since you're aged now also, correct?
Lordship, the fact is that, Lordship, so far, Lordship, documentary proof is there. I can satisfy. And the oral evidence is concerned, substantiating that whether I was cohabiting with my husband or not.
Yes.
So I have an instruction that the relatives of my husband, if it is required, they can come and they depose, Lordship, that I was cohabiting before.
Then okay, that is fine. Now when it comes, what will be the final result?
Lordship, since I was the first wife.
Be entitled? No.
Nothing.
Lordship,
she's registered.
Just a certificate
saying that you're... certificate, and what does the law say? In the face of certificate, in the face of absolutely divorce, can be the court disregard the marriage certificate?
Lordship, only one citation, Lordship, regarding this marriage certificate.
Yes, one citation, okay. I don't want to relegate you to, to go back to, it is just pain and torture. Going to court is Siramabai Pundalik. Which judgment you have to show?
Lordship, miss, please, yes. Lordship, that is, I have not given the list of books. Our Lordship, 2006, Volume 2, SCC, paragraph 15. Lordship.
Give the book.
I have not given list of books, Lordship. Paragraph 15.
2006, Volume 2. No citation.
Citation, Lordship, 2006, Volume 2, SCC. And
page number?
Page number is, Lordship, page number 578 and paragraph 15.
What does it say?
It is saying, Lordship,
let's see.
If the marriage is registered, it also provides evidence of the marriage having taken place and would provide a rebuttal presumption of the marriage having taken place. Though registration itself cannot be a valid proof of marriage per se and would not be determinative factor regarding the validity of marriage.
In what context was it passed?
Lordship.
The two claimants like this. Yes, which judgment is citing?
Lordship, I'll just assist.
Oh, sorry. You put another judgment in front, 84 on Supreme Court. This is a totally different context. The direction that compulsory registration of marriages.
Yes, Your Lordship.
So,
But still, at paragraph 15 is saying that registration of marriage is not enough, Lordship. And moreover, Lordship, they have, in their affidavit, they have said that our marriage was not registered. It was solemnized.
See, read this paragraph 15. I'll read it for you. Yes. As is evident from narration of facts, though most of the states have framed rules regarding registration of marriages, registration of marriage is not compulsory in several states. If the record of marriage is kept, to a large extent, the dispute concerning solemnization of marriages between two persons is avoided. As rightly contended, you don't read this other part, by the National Commission, in most cases, non-registration marriages affects women to a great measure, has affected you. Now this part is reading, if the marriage registered, it also provides evidence of the marriage having taken place and provide a rebuttable presumption of the marriage having taken place. Yes. Understand? Though registration itself cannot prove a valid marriage per se, yes, can be through enticement, something. Yes. Per se means it cannot be the only standard, but, and would not be the determinant factor regarding validity of marriage, yet it has great evidentiary value in the matter of custody of children, right of children born wedlock, two-person marriage registered, and the age of parties of marriage. This being so, the interest of society, marriages are completely registrable.
So, Lordship, here it is saying that it is not a determinative factor, Lordship. That is what I am trying to point out. They are saying that we have solemnized our marriage in the church. So they got a certificate. They have also stated that our marriage was not registered. They have stated in their miscase. So, Lordship, here now if we consider that their marriage was solemnized in the church, and that certificate is not a determinative factor that the marriage was solemnized.
No, you can't.
As per this
does not apply. It says that though registration itself can be proof of marriage per se, but other things are there. Death certificate is there. Nominee is there. Now that only per se cannot be maybe. But then what? How do you refute other documents? How do you refute death certificate? How do you refute a nomination? How?
But
there's only one little obstacle.
But Lordship,
and that also we cannot accept this judgment, because it talks about, you know, that the importance of, because they argued that maybe registration also cannot be applied. Okay, per se, maybe not. But compulsory registration marriage is necessary to protect the rights of women.
But their marriage is also not registered. They have admitted, Lordship. They have admitted in their petition.
Church registration is the same thing if they marry in church. Yes. It's a certificate given by the parish priest or by the.
But it is their admission in their petition, Lordship.
No,
I'm not saying, Lordship.
Where is the petition?
They have stated in their miscase, Lordship. Which they have filed in the trial court, Lordship.
Trial court, that I think.
Huh? Okay, he's annexed the petition, correct?
Yes, Lordship. I have annexed the petition.
You know why we continue this hearing? Because I feel sorry for your client. That's all. Otherwise, it's summary dismissal.
Lordship, that is page 56, paragraph number. Sorry, Lordship. Sorry. Yes, Lordship. I may be allowed to read paragraph 3 from 3. That is page 55, Lordship.
Yes.
That is saying that the petitioner states that the marriage between the petitioner and her deceased husband so-and-so was later solemnized, rectified so-and-so by one Reb Bector Lingdo, and as such, the marriage between the petitioner and her deceased husband could not be registered before the competent concerned marriage officer to prove their marital status. And at serial number 7, Lordship, they have said that the petitioner begs to state that besides her deceased husband Carlos Lamin have no other legal wife, and she have no knowledge if there is so before or after marriage to him. Lordship, it is in the letter dated 24/1/2020. They have categorically stated, but they have here, Lordship, they have misrepresented.
Where 22 claimant and legal wife, two different things.
Lordship, here, Lordship, they have misrepresented.
That's what I said. Where's the letter 2020?
Lordship,
I don't want to digress into hearing just in futility.
Lordship.
Okay, let's see. Where's the letter?
The letter is. That is page 35, Lordship. Page 35, and they have, with this letter, they have forwarded another letter dated 14 January 2020. Yes. That is page 36.
Yes, it just says parties.
But here, In the petition, she said that I do not know anything, the respondent. No other legal heirs also.
Did you file for review of this order before the court?
Lordship, here Lordship, I was not given any opportunity.
No, did you file for review when you came to the knowledge?
I was not made a party, Lordship.
No, no. Did you file for review? You can file for review, affected party. You can take leave of the court.
All right, Lordship, I'll take.
No, not take now.
Lordship, I may be.
See, I do not want to.
I'm here, Lordship, only for justice, Lordship. I was denied justice, Lordship.
That is what Mr. Yobin has fine said, that we'll give you money, a one-time settlement, you take it.
But Lordship, it should be reasonable also. 50,000, Lordship. How many days I can serve with this, Lordship? At least reasonable, Lordship.
From the time he died in,
Lordship, now I am working as a maid, Lordship. I am working in people's houses, Lordship, as domestic helper, Lordship. Now I am in immense financial constraint, Lordship.
It does not.
I do not have any house. I do not have own anything, Lordship. I do not have anything.
Your children are supporting you.
No, Lordship. They are also in some houses. They are working as domestic helper. If they would have given some reasonable settlement amount, then I would have certainly, Lordship. 50,000. For how many days, Lordship? I will survive with this.
So letter 24/1/2020, you wrote that back to them on 24/8. Very sad case. Only thing in your favor is that you're not made party. That's the only thing. Pension is being drawn by her now.
No, my lord. Everything has the processing is not going on because, in spite of my nominations are there in the service record, my lord. Owing to a pendency of this case, my lord. Now, my lord, this requires to be given a quietus now, my lord, because it's not helping either the petitioner or me, my lord. Now, even if my lord is what fallen from my lord, even if it goes back to district council court, it says that
you have the power, you have to have the financial, to contest the case in the district council court.
Lordship, now, Lordship,
you'll do it free for them.
Lordship, now I'm not paying anything as council fees to my lawyer.
Of course, you'll do the same thing there.
Yes, Lordship.
You'll do pro bono.
Yes, Lordship. I'm doing pro bono. Here also I'm doing pro bono, Lordship. Because, Lordship, in the maintenance case, I was the legal aid counsel, LAC. So here I'm doing it pro bono, sir.
You can do through legal aid, why not? You're still LAC now.
Yes, sir, Lordship.
Then do through legal aid. You nominate yourself as a counsel, then you do. But if you quietus, that means we'll just send it back to have within 1 month you complete the hearing. That's all. You produce the documents and evidence.
Lordship.
If you say we feel that way also, otherwise, best thing is to accept the settlement.
Lordship.
And my lord, but thing is that now the nominations, my lord, I've been nominated in the service records of my husband, my lord. Now, even if my lord, just assuming without admitting, my lord, they are able to prove the status of the factum of the marriage, my lord. How does it helps them? And it's just prolonging, because at the end of the day, the service records, there is a judgment which says that who will prevail, whether a legally married wife or when it comes to nominations, who is entitled to more. Then the person who is entitled or whose name are there in the service records. So even if for their satisfaction, if my lord sends it back also, I'm just saying, for their satisfaction, I am ready to contest. But this legal rights that I have accrued must not further be stopped, my lord. That the office must not be.
You understand where you've been?
Yes, my lord. And my lord.
You understand how the cards are stacked. That is.
but
it's just out of
Yes.
It is not just out of compassion. Since he's doing LAC also.
Yes. And this is also LSE. My client also LSE.
Both of you LSE is very good.
Both are LSE, and I have got 2 daughters. 2 daughters. They also had to drop studies, my lord. They are
we
working.
Understand what to do when a person is not willing to accept certain amount also.
Yes. Because now this is happening. If just by
the only thing is that because you see the only thing in his favor is what? Forget the facts of the case.
Yes.
forget about, his entitlements. Only thing is on procedure.
Procedure,
because
yes.
there was a letter
Yes,
asking
yes.
them to, and
Yes.
for whatever reasons it goes against them also, they never bothered to
Yes.
go to court.
Yes.
After then, when they know it was not ex parte, also no notice issued to them. That's the only thing they favor.
Yes, yes.
That is why the court said, even if you go for the proceeding, you'll be nowhere. But if it gives you satisfaction, what to do?
Yes, yes.
That's why I said accept the settlement, and just.
Lordship, if they are giving some reasonable
will-
settlement amount, then I'm ready,
the
Lordship.
thing is that
With 50,000, Lordship, for how many days it will help me, Lordship?
So
50,000.
Invested in mutual funds.
So this
Just in jest, yes.
so it's becoming more like a bargaining for them, which is
Give them one chance. Give one, because on materials.
Yes. My lord, I
feel
can
sorry for the petitioner.
I can do one thing, my lord. I can request my clients to consider for 1 lakh rupees, my lord, if they are
Take 1 lakh.
subject to.
Otherwise, Mr. Deb, what's the point? You're not getting anything. Your time will go, and also, it'll come to the same thing. Well, even if you prove cohabitation, also she's registered, it'll come to the same thing. Let's just say, okay, fine, take settlement. That is why. The court has full sympathy for you. The court is here, like when a person comes with a grievance, the court should take the person by the shoulder and try to give relief. That's what the court is doing.
Yes.
So the only point in favor is that you're not heard.
Yes.
That's the only thing. That troubles the court. So again, we have to adjourn it.
For 1 week, my lord, I can just call my clients today, tomorrow. I'll try to convince
Otherwise,
them.
to go through the whole process again.
Yes, yes.
Let this matter come on Friday, Lordship, if it's possible.
On Friday, yes.
Friday.
Okay, after hearing some length, Mr. Yubin has very fairly submitted that you will try to settle the matter out of court with the able assistance of Mr. P. Deb. Yes. You take this back. This is the matter on Friday.
Friday,
Yes. Better only, otherwise.